press the bell icon for all the updates.
सलमान खान के जेल जाने के बाद उनके फैंस के साथ साथ कई छोटे और बड़े पर्दे के सेलेब्स को भी काफी बड़ा झटका लगा है। सब अपना दुख जाहिर कर रहे हैं अपने सोशल मीडिया पर और ऐसा ही एक मैसेज पोस्ट किया विकास गुप्ता ने अपने ट्विटर पर। उन्होंने ट्वीट किया, Just jotted down what I really feel about at the rate being Salman Khan and this current scenario. Backlash is expected, but you stand for what you feel is right. और उन्होंने लिखा ये बड़ा नोट। Everyone is calling for a court or to give a view on the case or on Salman Khan. Who the hell am I or what qualification do I have to say anything on the case or about him? Is there anything new I can add that people do not already know about Salman Khan? A man who has become a real-life Rajinikanth for a lot of people, whose organization are responsible of actually saving numerous lives, who has been large-hearted enough to return money to people if his films don't make the desired profit, or paying medical bills of numerous individuals saving their lives. Interactions with him made me realize he believes one thing: when you do good and end up telling about it, it's as good as not doing it. So there will be endless list of things here that you and I don't know and that I haven't mentioned about Salman Khan here. Now the case and judgment, when Salman Khan got acquitted from a hit and run case, while people who loved him rejoiced, a large section of people said he had bought the law. He's so powerful, going as much as to say Salim sir is friends with the Prime Minister. Prime Minister is still the same. They are still known to each other. Salman Khan has delivered one of the biggest hits of Indian film industry history, Tiger Zinda Hai. And I think he has become a more stronger entity than the last time. Then why has he been convicted for taking an animal life and was let go when he was being held for being responsible for human lives? They say being a celeb is not easy and Salman sir is one of the biggest celebrity of this country. I do not know what the truth is of the case. I wasn't there, but it says that 2 black bucks, 3 chinkaras killed, and all the blame has been put on one man. There were a lot of people in that shoot and in that area. Isn't it a bit strange that no one else has been charged for actually shooting? The Bishnoi community heard gunshots and came running to find 2 black bucks dead and a jeep full of people running away. I don't want to use my brains here. Salman Khan cannot shoot with 2 hands. No matter what you see in his films, if he would have shot one, not other black buck would have run away, not waiting for him to shoot again and the Bishnoi community coming at the nick of time to see the jeep being fled. We do not know what happened there, but obviously there is not something right in what is being communicated. One man has killed 3 chinkaras, 2 black bucks on his own, while others clapped and cheered for him. He is a Bombay-bred man, not a gunman trained for shooting. A lot of people are getting their claim to fame cause Salman Khan has been sentenced to jail cause of them. This will be their life's highlight. Yes, they do have a reason to lie or side with wrong. Salman Khan is not perfect, nor is any one of us. There are wrong he must have done as well, but there are more rights he has done. He has won more hearts than broken. He has given much more than taking. Whether he is guilty or not, or if he has taken the fall for someone else, or he has been framed because he hurt someone important's ego in Rajasthan, yes, there are important and more powerful people than the film stars. There are a lot of theories you and I keep hearing. What is the truth? I do not know. What I know is he is paying the price of being the biggest celebrity of this country. For starters, go find out in the history of our country how many people in total have been jailed for 5 years for hunting of whatever cases actually registered. विकास गुप्ता। Well, क्या आप सहमत हैं विकास गुप्ता की बातों से? बताइए हमें अपने कमेंट्स के जरिए।